All right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for the treasure chest main. This is mini number 2. So we'll check the time August 18th at 9:41 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. We have August 18th at 9:41 p.m. There is the list of our 15 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Looking for the top 2. It is Kevin and Kyle. So Kevin, you'll get first pick. Kyle, you'll get second pick. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 18th, 9:41 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.